Hi and hello. A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video and I'm very much glad to meet you all again in this video. And in this video, what we are going to see is tips and tricks to clear prelims examination. Come on, let's get into the video. We all know that prelims is qualifying in nature. Passing at the border marks is also enough for clearing your prelims. But if you lose the prelims at border means it is the most painful one. So in this video we are going to see the important things you have to keep in mind before and while writing your prelims examination. And this will be going to be a life changer for you, and make note of everything what are all the things you need to do and not need to do. First most important thing, as everyone knows, time and tide waits for none. Time management is one of the important thing which we need to take care for your AFO examination, that too in prelims. Mains time management will not be a big concern, but in case of your prelims, time management plays a major key role. We have already given one of our video minimum 25 strategy. What are all the things you need to give in reasoning, aptitude or grammar? What are all the things you need to approach and how to approach? All the things I have given in that video itself. But here what I am going to say is the important tricks what you have to follow. Yes, time management is the important thing what you have to do. Don't waste time in a single question. This will be known to everyone, but again I'm mentioning because for some people some topic may be very interesting or they will be loving to answer that questions. Even if the question is tough and it is also time taking means also they will stand in that question and try that question until the answer comes. Don't do that in the examination. Even if a question comes from your lovable subject means if you feel that it takes time, even if you know the answer or you know the steps means also, if you feel that it takes lot time to find the answer means you just skip the question, because even there will be easy question from the most toughest part of the subjects also. Always go with the easiest questions first. After completion of the easiest questions, then go for your tough questions. Don't waste in tough questions all your time. This is the first important thing which I want to say to you. This is the mistake what all the people are doing. I again mentioned that time management decide your success. Even if you manage to answer at least or a minimum of 25 question in 40 minutes, then there is no doubt you have cleared the examination. No need of waiting for results or anything. On the same day itself you can be very well relaxed and you can start for your mains examination preparation. Yes, time management has that much power. Don't waste time in single question and don't try odd or new questions in the examinations. Anyhow simple questions will definitely come, so don't waste time in odd or typical or different or new questions. And next important thing what I am telling is identify your strong and weak subjects. For example, what I'm telling is simplification, average, ratio, proportion, age, this kind of sums will be anyhow, however they ask, it will be definitely easy. So mostly prefer that questions. What I'm telling is in case of your missing numbers, somehow it will be easy. But in case of wrong numbers, I used to feel that it is little hard to find out. Don't waste your time there. So if you feel okay, I'm very strong at finding wrong numbers, I can find in 1 or 2 seconds means okay, you can definitely go for. So if you feel that application oriented questions are better for me while comparing to other questions, if you feel means definitely you can go for application oriented sums. Or no, I am not good at application oriented sums, but I am very good at solving the data interpretation type of questions, and that bar graph, pie chart, this kind of questions I am very good at. If you feel that means don't miss that. And you definitely minimum 10 questions you will be getting from this pie chart or bar chart or table chart, that kind of things definitely you will get. So before going itself, you just identify your strong subject. So first you go there, you solve that question, have some 20 to 25 marks accurately. Okay, I have answered all the questions what I planned, now I am going to try the new ones or difficult ones. In that way you have to approach the examination. In my examination, what I planned is, wrong number means don't touch. If it is missing number means you can go. There will be 5 questions from missing numbers or wrong numbers, whatever it is coming. If it is missing number means, if in 5 question, if at least 2 questions are wrong, very tough means also 3 you can answer. Or in simplification, definitely you will be getting 3 to 4 questions. In that I will plan for 3 question. And that data interpretation, anyhow 10 questions, 5 plus 5, that is 2 questions you will be getting. In each 5 plus 5 you will be getting. So even if I feel that 2 questions in both, that is in total 20 question will be there. If 2 questions are tough in the data interpretation means also I can answer 8 questions. So 8 questions from data interpretation, 3 from missing numbers, 3 from simplification, and 2 from average. So anyhow I can clear 20 to 25 with this itself. If I feel that any question from mensuration, because uh, I have written and I was very much confident about mensuration, so I know the formula. If any easier question, direct question from mensuration means okay, I can answer. So likewise any direct question from time and work means I can answer. So in that way I prepared. So first I have given missing numbers, and next I have given data interpretation, and next I have given simplification, and then ages. So totally 20 questions I have completed within some 20-25 minutes. So remaining 20 minutes are there for me. So in that time I have gone for application oriented questions. So in that way you have to plan. So reasoning also you can plan in the same way, because I used to plan that okay, syllogism will be there. 3 we can do in syllogism, 2 we can get from blood relation, and 2 will be getting from that alpha numerals, coding, decoding. So whatever the topic you are very well versed, that you have to give first. Even if you get some hard questions in your favorite subject means you can omit it, no problem in that. If you get hard questions in easier topic means definitely you will be getting easy questions in hard topics. So you can manage with that. In this way you have to plan. Don't try all the questions. First answer the easier questions and then go for hard questions. Next, coming to English, I used to feel that English is one of the easiest subject to score, but many people are losing their prelims due to non-clearing of this sectional cutoff in English. So, what I'm guiding in this English is, I have provided some 2 videos in case of your grammar that will cover nearly whatever the important basics that are required. Mostly you will be getting questions in error spotting and this kind of things. You will be getting questions from that topic only. Maximum 5 or 6 questions you will be getting. You can clear with that sectional cutoff, you can clear in that. What I'm telling is, reading comprehension is easier to score, because instead of knowing the grammar rules, if you about to know what is the concept of that comprehension means you can easily answer that reading comprehension questions. Definitely 5 question will be there, one will be little hard to answer, I'll accept that, but remaining 4 definitely you can answer. So go with reading comprehension first, 4 questions you can answer. And then comes your, if you read some basic grammar rules means definitely there will be error spotting kind of questions that you can answer. In class test also, somehow present past that rules you will be knowing means definitely you can answer. English minimum 8 to 9 you can easily score. The 2 videos I'll be giving the link, you just go through that. After that go with reading comprehension. Actually if they ask for any synonym antonym in reading comprehension means also, by reading the whole line we can understand what they are coming to tell to us. With that we can guess the answer. But one more important thing, don't guess blindly. Accuracy is important. At least you know to eliminate the options. After that, okay, this much, okay, 5 options are there. I am able to eliminate three options. In that two options, okay, you can go, but you should not answer or guess blindly. Accuracy is very important in case of your prelims. Don't get confused with the things. Be confident about what you are going to answer. If you feel something that I don't know whether it is right or wrong, it is very confused. Like that, if you feel means you just omit that question, because never take risk. It will take the mark of your correctly written questions also. So this is the thing. One more thing I want to tell. Even if you answer by elimination method means also, if you are giving one option means at least you should have 75 percentage of confidence over that. Don't go with even 50-50 also. 50-50 will not work out anymore. 75-25 means if you can definitely go, but don't go for 50 or less than 50. It will not work out. Accuracy is again important, because even if you give 50 questions means also, if half of the question is wrong means, then what is the thing in that? If you even give 15-20 questions means also, you should be accurate that all the questions are right, or at least 95 to 98% percent of questions are right. So go with the accurate ones. And this accuracy I've told 75% to 80% or 90%, that too for English only, not for your reasoning or aptitude. Reasoning or aptitude, if you get the answer means only you have to click the option. If not, you just omit it. Don't answer by guessing in your prelims and in your prelims reasoning and aptitude topics. English, you can do that elimination in case of antonyms, synonyms, that you can do. But in case of your aptitude and reasoning, at least you should be getting 99.99% answer means only you have to give. If not, you go for another question, because lot of options are there. Definitely you can answer, because there are not that much rocket science questions will be there. It will be easy. You will be definitely knowing the questions because you might have read. These are all the major important things I want to share with you. Once again, I brief all the things. First one, time management. Don't waste time in a single question. Know your strong and weaker sections and give answers accordingly. Don't waste your time in tougher questions. Go with easier ones first. In English, at least go for elimination method to answer the questions. And one more important thing I want to share. If you feel you are very good at aptitude means, try to maximize your mark in aptitude, because it will be helpful in overall cutoff clearing. Because if you are little lower at reasoning means, you have to score more at English and aptitude, so that it will manage the overall cutoff. If you are very good at English means, somehow you try to answer or try to give nearly 16 to 17 marks in English, so that it will manage in reasoning and aptitude. And one more thing I want to mention, even one of the section is tougher means, don't lose heart in the examination. Definitely that section will be having only lower cutoff, so try to give more number of questions in another sections, so that you can equalize that. Even when I was given my prelims, that time quantitative aptitude is very much easy. That time cutoff is also 11 or 12, so it is higher only. I have scored nearly 20 or 22. But in case of your reasoning, it was somewhat difficult what I was expected. So, but there is no problem for me, because reasoning it was lost, because first English, second aptitude, and third was reasoning while I was writing. So at the last only I was little confused. So no problem. If it came at the first itself means, I don't know how I might have written the examination. So don't do that mistake. That time I have not given reasoning very well. I was thinking that I have given some 15-16 questions only, and I was, after coming examination, I was like I don't know whether I will over I was very confident that I will clear the overall cutoff, because I done very well in English and aptitude. But I am having a little doubt that whether I will clear reasoning sectional cutoff or not. And it was okay, I was very confused, but after seeing the result, the reasoning cutoff was only 3 marks. I scored 12. Okay, it is very good. Only 3. So this one you keep in mind. Even if you find any section tough means also definitely you can clear. The cutoff will be less. You have to equalize with other subjects. Once again, I'm mentioning this. And these are all the things which I want to share with you. Once again, I'm mentioning if you get the toughest section at first means also try to give the best in other two subjects. So don't lose your heart in between your examination also. With all these things, I want to conclude. I hope the video will be very much useful to you. Thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe to our channel if you like the video, and do like, share and comment. Thank you, and see you all again.